There's a place beyond the maps, where nature reigns and silence speaks louder than words, where penguins outnumber people and the stars have never shined brighter. This isn't your average vacation. It's a journey into the untouched, where every sunrise feels like a discovery and every step feels like the first. You'll cruise through ancient ice fields, lush rainforests, and volcanic islands, guided by experts and surrounded by wonder. No crowds, no chaos, just you, the wild, and a ship that takes you there in comfort and care. This is more than travel. This is transformation, because the edge of the world is where you truly find yourself. Are you ready to explore the untamed?